Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be going over this screen protector for iPhones. So I do want to thank Wsken for actually gifting this to me, or Wsken. And so what we have here is a really neat way to actually apply screen protectors to your phone. So essentially what this includes with is that it's a reusable screen protector utilizer. And what I mean by that is all you have to do is buy the replacement screen protectors, but this basically mounts inside of the mounting device that you see here. Then you pull this flap, and once it's inside and your phone is inside, so your phone will actually be placed facing forward. You simply close this and then pull it like this. So as it starts to roll backward, you can see that it rolls backward. It essentially applies the screen protector onto your phone and it just fits it perfectly. So with this is such an easy way to actually go ahead and apply a screen protector to your phone. This right here is reusable, like I mentioned. So all you do have to buy is the screen protectors once this one cracks or starts to peel off. You've also got like cleaning cloths and installation tools to kind of help you prep your phone for the actual screen protector. But overall, I'd say I've had no problems with it whatsoever. Really, really neat piece of device.